Copy this text from Deepseek and paste it in this box. Then copy another text from Deepseek and paste it in another box. And boom, you can earn $170 using this new and secret Deepseek make money method. Now, let's start with the first step, which is to come over to Deepseek, of course. Just search for Deepseek on Google and click first site from here. If you are shown Deepseek site in the Chinese language, all you need to do is to click on the English option from top right corner and the site will be translated to English. These are my earnings from this secret Deepseek make money method, which I withdrew to my PayPal account. I withdraw my earning once a week. That's why you are seeing these $700, $400, $600, and again, $700 to my PayPal account. Let me refresh this page for you so you don't think this is some kind of screenshot or something like that. And as you can see, the earnings from this Deepseek make money secret trick is still there, which is actually the best way to make money with AI. Now, the Deepseek make money method I am going to show today is not known to many people, and it is making the real money to the beginners like you and me, so stay tuned until the end to make money like this. So once you come over to Deepseek, now you just need to click on the Start Now option right here, and you will be taken to this page, where you need to first sign up if you don't have a Deepseek account already, by clicking the Sign Up option from here. Then you just need to enter your email ID, create password, confirm the password, and enter the code sent to your email, and hit Sign Up. Once you log into your account, this is how the Deepseek dashboard will look like. Deepseek is available in almost all the countries around the world, and you can use this Deepseek make money method to make money with AI from any part of the world. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more relevant videos for you guys. And now I want you to leave your Deepseek tab open like this. We will come back to it later. And the step number 2 is to come over to YouTube. Don't worry, you don't need to create a YouTube channel or upload any videos to YouTube. This is completely a new Deepseek make money method. And as I showed you, it is already working for me, and it can work for you too if you stay tuned until the end of this video. Now on YouTube, I want you to search for something that gets a lot of views. And by views, I mean millions of views on a single video. But before I show you what to search on YouTube, if you are using a mobile phone, I suggest you to open your mobile browser and open YouTube on your mobile browser. Click on the 3 dots on top right corner and select the desktop site option from there. Once you open it, I want you to search for funny compilations, dumb thieves, funny pets, or some other topic like that, because as you can see, these type of videos get millions and millions of views on each video. So for example, if we choose the topic of funny compilations, you can find many videos from different channels getting millions of views, and some of them even crossed over 100 million views on a single video. But don't worry, you don't need to upload any videos to YouTube. I just want you to know that these topics get millions of views per video. Now if you open any of these channels, let's say we open Funny Zone YouTube channel, as you can see, they are getting a good amount of views per video. 1 million views on this video, over 6 million views on this one, over 12 million views on this video, and over 20 million views on this one. And this gives birth to a big opportunity, which can help you earn the fastest $170 per day using Deepseek make money method. And the catch is that almost all of these YouTubers don't know about this opportunity, which I am going to reveal you in this video. But before that, I want you to sort list 10 channels like this. Just make sure that they get over 1 million views on at least 10 of their most popular videos. You can just click on the popular section right here, and that's going to show you the most popular videos on this channel. You can find different channels from here, and you can check them one by one and sort list them for this method. Now open your sort listed channels one by one and click on the more option right here. That's going to show you this view email address button right here. Just click on it. Check this box of I am not a robot, click on submit, and you will be shown their email address to contact this channel owner, which we will use for this Deepseek make money method. Now if you don't find any email address here, just simply open any of their videos and check the description of that video. There are high chances that you will find their email address in the description of their video. Now I want you to copy the email addresses one by one from these channels. Come over to the Google Sheets, create a new sheet, and paste these emails in a Google Sheet just like this so that we can use them later. You can use the same format as you are seeing on your screen. Name of the channel, niche of the channel, and its contact email. Now I will blur these emails because of the security reasons, but you can always find them on their channels. Now the step number 3 is to come back to the Deepseek again, and I want you to type in this box. Write me 20 different email copies for the YouTube channel owners, explaining that they are leaving an extra $10,000 per month on the table by not using this secret method that I can help them with. And the Deepseek will start writing the best 20 emails for you. Just make sure you have selected the DeepThink R1, because then it will give you the best results. So here are the emails written by Deepseek, and if you read them, them, you can see that they are really short, to the point, and high converting mails. As you can see, the first email is looking very good. Did you know top creators in your niche are quietly adding $10,000 per month using a strategy they won't talk about? I've helped others unlock this revenue stream. Let me show you how. Reply secret and I'll explain. Now, all you have to do is to copy this email body from Deepseek and come over to your Gmail. Here you need to click on Compose Email button, and then here you need to paste the email body. Then you copy the subject line from the Deepseek and paste the same to the subject of your email. Now you need to replace this with the name of the channel that you are sending the mail to. For example, if we are sending the mail to the Funny Zone, we will just simply replace this with their name. Now you just need to copy paste the mail ID from your Google Sheets to the Gmail right here and just send this mail. But wait, we need to set up the system before you send the second mail to the YouTube channel owners, so that when they reply, you have your second reply ready. So now I want you to give another prompt to the Deepseek AI, and the another prompt will look something like this. I will leave these prompts in our Telegram group, which you can join by going to Cash Pro channel. Just click on the More option from there, and then just click on the Telegram group option. You will be taken to your Telegram app, from where you can join the Cash Pro Telegram group by pressing the Join button. Here you will find the prompts for this video, which you can copy paste from here to the Deepseek. Also, we will be announcing our giveaway winners in this Telegram group, so make sure you join it to not lose your $1,000 giveaway. Now you just need to copy paste the second prompt to Deepseek, and it will give you the second mail copies, which you will copy paste to the YouTubers once you receive a reply from them. So basically, in the second mail, we will inform them that creators in your niche are quietly banking $10,000 to $30,000 per month with affiliate links. Here's how we'll do it. I handle all the work, finding products, generating links, tracking sales. You add links to your video descriptions, takes 2 minutes. We split profits 50/50ths. No cost, no risk. Want in? Reply partner. Now step number 4. Once they agree to partner up with you, which most of them would do, all you have to do is to come over to clickbank.com. Clickbank is an affiliate marketing marketplace where you can find different physical and digital products to promote and earn up to 80% of commission for promoting them. So just register yourself on Clickbank and log into your Clickbank account. You need to click on the affiliate marketplace from the left, and you will be taken to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace, where you can find hundreds of thousands of digital and physical products to promote and earn money online by promoting these products. Now here, most of the users on YouTube are from the United States, and in the US, people face problem with their overweight. So today, we will search for the weight loss product in the Clickbank marketplace, and we will be shown with different weight loss products. Now the first bonus tip is to click on this keyword relevance option from there, and select the rank high to low option right here. Now the search results for the weight loss will show only those products that are ranking high, and they are ranking high on the Clickbank because they are the best products in their category, and people are getting positive results by using these products. So you can choose any product out of the first 10 products showing in the search results now. Let's say we choose the Java Burn to promote and earn money with it. As you can see, it will give us $160 per sale of the product, and it has the rebilling option starting from the $35, which means we will be earning well over $170 per sale if we promote this product. And to promote it, all we have to do is to click on the promote button from here. In the affiliate nickname, we just need to select our affiliate name which you created while registration from this drop-down and just click continue. Now on this page, you just need to scroll down a little bit and copy your affiliate link by pressing this copy button from there. And the most important thing is that you need to share this link with the YouTube channels that agree to become your partner in this business. Also, you need to provide them the affiliate disclaimer, which you can generate again using the Deepseek. So you just need to write, please provide an affiliate disclaimer for a YouTube video, and just copy the disclaimer from here and share it with your YouTube channel partners. Now, as you can see, they are getting thousands and even millions of views on their videos. If only 2 people buy the product in a day out of those thousands of people, which is very easy and very possible, you will be earning $340 in affiliate commissions per day on Clickbank, and half of which you will share with your YouTuber partner, so you will get $170 a day in pure passive income. And you can start to earn from the first day of your partnership, because these channels have a massive audience. So this is the fastest Deepseek make money method.